there, welcome back. Today I have a special unboxing. I got an email from YouTube about a month ago saying that they're gonna be sending me a little something because I've been partaking in the Shorts creators challenges and I'm active with the community, so I'm really excited to see what they sent. So let's go ahead and open the packet. Alright, so it looks like it's, so you can see here. Alright, so here's the message. Let's see, it's upside down. Thank you for all your hard work and dedication on Shorts. Here is to celebrate you. Shows how you're taking time for yourself this summer with Shorts self-care. And then it talks about like love your Shorts team, Amanda, Elise, and Sonali. So they are the YouTube managers for Shorts creators, and they're very active in the community, and sometimes they send us little gifts. So let's go ahead and open this. I think it's like a little blanket or something. It looks fluffy. Oh, it's really big. Let's see. Oh, it's a fussy robe. How cute is that? It's super soft, and it has right here, it says YouTube Shorts, and it's a super cute light purple lavender fussy robe. So let's go ahead and try it on. All right, well, thank you so much for joining me in my unboxing of my new YouTube Shorts goodies that they sent me. If you want to get involved in the community, the Shorts community, and participate in the challenges and be part of the group, reach out. I can put you in touch with one of the Shorts managers. It is such a great community. I made so many friends, and there really is a lot of great resources for creators, and they're working very closely with creators to really make the platform more creator friendly. So if you wanna get involved, just let me know, send me a message. I can put you in touch with one of them. But I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.